Hey everybody, this is Lorelia, and today I want to talk to you about a ongoing conversation that I've been having in my YouTube lives. So today I'm not streaming live because it's hard for me to get a signal out here at the shore, but I still had a message for you. I'm sitting here and I'm reading this book right here. Um, why the rich are getting richer. And so many of the things that are discussed in this book, I have already talked about in regards to printing money and how the rich use debt to um, make money, and why the poor, um, debt is something that puts them in financial straits. And so, currently, right now, I have been doing my credit to cash flow classes, teaching people how they can now use credit to be able to produce income for themselves by either creating assets for themselves or buying assets. And so that is why I titled this video, You Don't Need a Debt Elimination Plan, You Need a Prosperity Plan. And the reason why I said that is because the words that you say on a daily basis, the words that you say, your subconscious is the one that holds on to those words. And so the word debt for so many people, if you are not used to using the strategies that the rich use to be able to use debt or leverage debt, what happens is that those words, the words debt, D-E-B-T, are crippling for many people. And since when they're crippling to people, a lot of people cannot see the light at the end of the tunnel. And so what I'm teaching people is to not look at the word debt as a negative word, but to focus on where you truly want to be, and that is with a prosperity plan. What is a prosperity plan? A prosperity plan is not something that you are not able to get, because a lot of times when people hear the word prosperity, they believe that it's very esoteric, in the sense of it's just very wishful. It's wishful thinking. And so that is not what I'm teaching. Although, you know, uh, uh, wishing for things, wanting things, is something that many of us do pursue. But my goal is to really share with you what you need to do to be able to get those things that you truly want. How to not use the word debt and use the word prosperity. Because the thing is that you can go anywhere on the internet and get a debt elimination plan. There's software, there's Excel spreadsheets. But the problem is that if it was that easy, then why are so many people in debt? Well, the reason why is because the same mind that puts you in the situation that you are in is not the same mind that can take you out of it. So what you have to do is you have to now decide to take on some other type of strategies to help you move along. And that is what I'm sharing with people. The classes have already kicked off. I'll be having another class. I had a class Sunday. I'm going to be having another class this coming Thursday, which is tomorrow. Today is Wednesday. And so I'm looking forward to sharing with you some things that you need to you need to put in place. And that is why I created the Credit to Cash Flow program, because I want to get away from, the negative connotations that debt and bad credit has. Like, I understand that some people do need to get rid of it, they need to eliminate it, and there's plenty of information on this channel to help you with those goals. I have over, I've lost count, 500 videos on here. I don't know how many of them are live, because some of them are unlisted, but it's enough to get someone started. So I'm going to sign off because my phone is about to die. I want to enjoy myself while I'm here. But what I want you to do, there's a link underneath this video. I want you to go to cashflow.yourmoneymentor.com. There you will get a free video. On that video is this Sunday night class that I had to just give you an overview of the program. And this program, like I said, that I'm kicking off is under $50. I mean, I can't make it no cheaper than that. And so you're going to get access to so much. There's a lot of bonuses I'm throwing in. I will not reveal what those bonuses are here on YouTube. What you have to do is get on my email communication list to find out. And so if this is the first time that you're on my channel, my name is Lorelia, and I have over, like I said, 500 videos here on YouTube in regards to debt management, credit, or what have you. And so please like, comment, and share this video. And so I'm looking forward to talking to you in the next one. Hopefully you will be in class on Thursday night. There are replays if you're unable to catch them live. But once again, this is Lorelia, and I am signing off. Bye-bye.